In this video, you will learn how to install Plotly, a data visualization library in Python. Let's go to his official website and install it. In Google, type Plotly. Then you have to click on this first link, Plotly Low-Code Data App Development. This is the official website of Plotly. Then you have to click on Docs and you have to click on Graphing Libraries. Then you will come on this page. There you will see Plotly open source graphing libraries, and this is given for Python, R, Julia, JavaScript and so on. We will click on this Python. Then once you come on this page, you will get some information. Plotly open source graphing library for Python. Plotly's Python graphing library makes interactive publication quality graphs, for example, line plots, scatter plot, area charts, bar charts and so on. In the upcoming tutorials, we are going to make these plots one by one. Now to do the installation, you have to come on this left side and click on Getting Started. Once you come on this page, you have to scroll down a little bit. And here you will see the installation process. If you want to install it using pip, you just have to copy this pip install Plotly. Or if you want to install it using conda, then you have to click here conda install C Plotly. Now I'm going to install it using pip. So what I will do, I'll copy this from here. Now I'll open a new command prompt. In Windows, I will type cmd. Now I will just right click, press enter. And here in the output, you can see it says requirement already satisfied because it is already installed on my system, and we can verify it. So here I'll start Python. Now I will write here import Plotly, and you can see that I have successfully imported Plotly. And let us also verify this in Jupyter Notebook. I'll close this command prompt. I've already opened a new notebook here. Let's import Plotly. And here you can see I have successfully installed Plotly, and that's why I'm able to import it. Now let's go to his website and copy one example from here and paste it to verify whether we have successfully installed it or not. Let's say I'll copy this code from here. Let's say I'll copy this code from here of bar plot. I'll paste it here and I'll run it. Here in the output, you can see we got a bar plot here, and there are so many options available here. Zoom in, zoom out. Then we have auto scale, box select, zoom, download plot as a PNG. There are many options available. In our upcoming tutorials, we will see how we can make this bar plot or the other plot from scratch. This is how you can install Plotly and make some beautiful visualizations in Python. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.